Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting. How to get a Ticketmaster presale code for 2025 events. If you're a music lover or event enthusiast who's always scrambling for tickets, this guide is your golden ticket. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a presale code? It's a special access code that lets you buy tickets before the general public. This means you can snag the best seats at concerts, sports games, or festivals without the mad rush. In 2025, with even more high-demand events on the horizon, getting one could make all the difference. Step 1. Start by creating a Ticketmaster account. Head over to their website or app, sign up with your email, and verify your details. This is your gateway to exclusive offers. Next, subscribe to newsletters from your favorite artists, bands, or venues. Many send out presale codes directly to their mailing lists. It's like getting an insider tip. Step 2. Get social. Follow Ticketmaster, artists, and event promoters on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. They often drop codes in announcements or contests. Don't forget to engage, like, comment, and share to increase your chances. Step 3. Join official fan clubs or loyalty programs. For example, if you're a Swiftie or a Beyoncé fan, signing up for their official sites can unlock presale perks. Also, check if your credit card offers exclusive access. Cards like American Express or Capital One sometimes partner with Ticketmaster for early entry. A few quick tips. Always act fast because codes can expire quickly, and make sure to double-check the code before using it to avoid any errors. Oh, and be wary of scams. Only get codes from official sources. There you have it. Your step-by-step guide to scoring a Ticketmaster presale code in 2025. Give it a try for your next big event and say goodbye to sold-out disappointments. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your presale success stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.